As a pescatarian whose diet is primarily plant-based, I am always scouting the produce section for new veggies to try. Cassava is a root that has been popular in tropical regions for millennia. In the last several years, I have seen this vegetable in grocery stores much more frequently. There are countless cooking variations on how cassava can be prepared, from cakes and chips to beverages and stews. Like all living things, the cassava plant has a scientific name. It is Manihot esculenta. It also has several common names. Among them are Brazilian arrowroot and Yucca. There is a striking plant commonly called Adam's needle, which is seen growing in New York. It is one of about 50 species of plants from the Yucca genus. There is only one letter difference between the spellings of Yucca and Yuca. It was quite some time before I was observant enough to notice that Yucca and Yuca are two different words. Indeed, they are two different plants. Brazilian arrowroot, aka cassava, is not used to make arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder comes from an entirely different plant. The powder is a delicate thickener for soups and sauces. Tapioca, which does come from the cassava plant, is a viscous thickener for baking. The cassava, yucca, Brazilian arrowroot plant can thrive in poor quality soils. It has fan-shaped leaves with multiple lobes. Cassava varieties grow as herbs, shrubs, and trees. They are related to willows, flax, St. John's wort, the castor oil plant, poinsettia, and many others. Cassava and other members of the spurge family produce sap with a laxative effect. Cassava roots have brown fibrous skin and light interior flesh. They should be peeled and cooked before eating. Raw cassava can release toxins in the body. Once processed, the flesh is safe to eat. In fact, cassava is a staple food in Latin America, Asia, and Africa. Yucca plants are related to both asparagus and agave. The Yucca genus contains approximately 50 species. The plants have large bluish-green sword-shaped leaves. Their inflorescence has a tall stalk with white bell-shaped flowers. Yuccas are low-maintenance plants which can withstand harsh conditions. Although they produce edible seeds, flowers, and fruits, their roots are inedible. Plants from the genus Maranta are most commonly used to produce arrowroot powder. They are commercially grown in tropical regions. Both arrowroot powder and tapioca from cassava are gluten-free thickeners. To sum up, the root of the matter is that yucca plants grow in New York. Yuca can be bought in most grocery stores and can be cooked like potato. Yuca and yucca are almost homonyms, so it is less confusing to call yuca cassava, and don't call it arrowroot. Check out the spiky Adam's needle and other fascinating plants we have growing in our sunny field, which is surrounded by an enchanted woodland of the Hudson Valley. Contact us at pleasantvalleymaplelodging@gmail.com. Find Scholastic Supermarket, Backyard Biology, and all sorts of educational content at GCAT's Chronicle on Teachers Pay Teachers and Amazon.